Hey there, fellow runners! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're hitting the trails and exploring the thrilling world of cross-country running. Get ready for 15 fascinating facts that will inspire and amaze you. Fact 1. Origins of cross-country running. Cross-country running traces its roots back to the early 19th century in England, where it began as a form of hare and hounds or paper chase races, often held across rough terrain and fields. Fact 2. The first Olympic cross-country race. The first Olympic cross-country race took place in 1912 in Stockholm, Sweden. It was a grueling 12-kilometer course that tested the endurance and determination of the athletes. Fact 3. Cross-country versus track running. Unlike track running, where athletes compete on a smooth, oval track, cross-country races take place on natural terrain, including grass, dirt trails, hills, and even mud. It's all about embracing the elements. Fact 4. The Kilian Jornet effect. Kilian Jornet, a Spanish ultra-runner, is renowned for his incredible feats in mountain and trail running. He set numerous records and won prestigious races, inspiring countless runners around the world. Fact 5. Cross-country's mental toughness. Cross-country running isn't just about physical strength. It's also a test of mental toughness. Enduring challenging terrain and pushing through fatigue require mental resilience and determination. Fact 6. The importance of teamwork. In cross-country running, team scores are often based on the placement of individual runners. This fosters a strong sense of camaraderie and teamwork among teammates, as every runner's performance contributes to the overall score. Fact 7. XC skippers and marshals. During cross-country races, skippers and marshals play crucial roles in guiding runners along the course, ensuring their safety and providing support and encouragement along the way. Fact 8. The rise of ultra cross-country races. Ultra cross-country races, covering distances beyond the traditional 1 have surged in popularity in recent years. From 50,000 to 100 miles or more, these races push runners to their limits and beyond. Fact 9. Famous cross-country races. From the historic Manchester Road Race in Connecticut to the iconic MT/SAC Invitational in California, cross-country races around the world offer diverse landscapes and challenging courses for runners of all levels. Fact 10. Cross-country running in schools. Cross-country running is a staple of many school athletic programs, fostering a love for running and competition from a young age. It promotes fitness, discipline, and a sense of community among students. Fact 11. Cross-country's physical benefits. Cross-country running provides a full-body workout, strengthening muscles, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting endurance. It's a fantastic way to stay fit and healthy while enjoying the great outdoors. Fact 12. Cross-country running's inclusivity. One of the beauties of cross-country running is its inclusivity. Runners of all ages, backgrounds, and abilities can participate, whether they're aiming for a podium finish or simply enjoying the journey. Fact 13. Cross-country's historic rivalries. Cross-country races often feature intense rivalries between schools, clubs, or regions, adding an extra layer of excitement and competitiveness to the sport. These rivalries fuel athletes to push themselves to the limit. Fact 14. The cross-country course design. Cross-country courses are carefully designed to challenge runners with a variety of terrain, including hills, flats, and obstacles like streams or fallen trees. Each course offers a unique and memorable experience for competitors. Fact 15. The cross-country spirit. Above all, cross-country running embodies a spirit of determination, perseverance, and camaraderie. Whether you're racing against the clock or against rivals, the true essence of cross-country lies in the journey and the friendships forged along the way. And there you have it, 15 amazing facts about cross-country running that showcase its rich history, challenges, and undeniable appeal. Whether you're a seasoned trailblazer or a newcomer lacing up your shoes for the first time, remember to embrace the adventure and enjoy every step of the run. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep running strong.